Finding the hostname in PostgreSQL depends on whether you're running the database locally or connecting to a remote server. Here's how you can find it in different scenarios. For local PostgreSQL instance, if you're running PostgreSQL on your local machine, the hostname is typically localhost or 127.0.0.1. You can use this to connect to the database. To check this, simply run the following command in PSQL. This will display the addresses PostgreSQL is listening on. If it's set to localhost or star, the hostname for local connections is either localhost or 127.0.0.1. For remote PostgreSQL instance, if you're connecting to a PostgreSQL database hosted remotely, the hostname is provided by the administrator or can be found in the connection details. For example, in AWS RDS, you'll find the hostname in the RDS console under Database Details. For Azure PostgreSQL, the hostname is available in the Azure portal under your database's connection settings. For PostgreSQL configuration, you can also check the PostgreSQL.conf file for the listen addresses setting. The hostname will be listed or set to localhost, star, or a specific IP address. For client connections, when connecting with a client or application, the hostname is typically specified in the connection string.